This is the Genesis G90. The Genesis G90 offers an idle stop and go, or ISG function, to help optimize overall fuel efficiency. Idle stop and go helps reduce fuel consumption by automatically shutting down the engine when the vehicle is at a standstill, such as waiting at a red stoplight, stop sign, or in heavy traffic. ISG is always on by default when the engine is started. If you wish to disable ISG, simply press the idle stop and go off button on the dash, just to the left of the steering column. You can press this button again to turn the function back on. Disabling ISG is only for the current cycle. By default, idle stop and go will always turn on when the engine is restarted. When idle stop and go is on, the engine will automatically stop when the vehicle fully stops and the brake is pressed while in drive or neutral. The auto stop indicator will illuminate in green on the instrument cluster when the system automatically stops the engine. When the engine has been stopped automatically by idle stop and go, it will restart if the brake is released, the accelerator is pressed when auto hold is activated, or the brake is held and the gear is shifted from neutral to drive, or drive to reverse or park. When the engine is restarted, the auto stop indicator on the instrument cluster will turn white. Please note that idle stop cannot reoccur again until the vehicle speed goes above 3 miles per hour, and then returns again to the automatic stop conditions as previously mentioned. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.